Hi, good day. My name is Daniel Flores. I am the Business Development Manager for Data Acquisition and Industrial Computers. This time we're gonna see an unboxing of an industrial computer. This computer or series is the TBOX-1. We're gonna see what's inside of the box. Okay, we open the box. This is really with good protection. Some plastics to avoid damage inside. There is a box with accessories. We're gonna see the accessories in a moment. And here is the computer. As you can see, it can fit in your hand. Okay, as I mentioned, this is the TBOX-1. This series of computer has different processors. We can have a Celeron, we can have Core i3, Core i5, and Core i7. This can be 6th generation or 8th generation of Core i inside this computer. As you can see, this is really compact and it can be really powerful with those Core i processors. So what we have in this computer is the chassis. Has a really rough chassis and it really helps to dissipate the heat inside the computer. There is no fan inside the computer, so the heat is dissipated through the chassis. And what we have in the EOS, well, we have one HDMI output for video, we have 4 USB ports, we have also 2 gigabit LAN Ethernet ports, we have input for a microphone, and we have output for audio, and we have also input for the power supply. So we have a power supply of 12 to 36 volts DC with this computer. So as you know, you can power it up with DC directly from your source where you have all your equipment, or there's a power supply included with the computer. What we can install in this computer is we can have up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, and there's a slot for MSATA storage, so you can install 32 gigabytes, 64 gigabytes, 128 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes, or up to 512 gigabytes of storage in an MSATA module. In this computer you can install Windows 10 Professional or Windows 10 IoT with this computer. Okay, and with this computer we have different options for the mounting. One can be only to be placed over the desk. The other option can be to be mounted on the wall with these screw holes, so this can be mounted on the wall. And there are also 2 screw holes below the computer. These are for an accessory that can be sold separately for DIN rail mounting. This box is the power for the AC and also the power supply. This is a power supply with 12 volts DC output. So we can plug US cord and plug it to the AC and then plug it to the DC for the computer. So this model, as I mentioned, is the TBOX-1. Well, thanks for watching this video.